Learn to install Android apps on your Windows 11 device. First, you'll need to install Amazon Appstore. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Amazon Appstore. You can also click the link shown to open the page directly. Click the Install button for the app. Click on Setup. Allow the changes. Click on Download and allow the changes to begin the process. When it's done, click Next and restart your system. After the reboot, Windows will configure the device to enable it to run Android apps available in the Amazon App Store. Once that finishes, sign in to Amazon. With the Amazon App Store installed, you'll now have access to all the Android apps that are available through the Amazon App Store and be able to install them on your Windows 11 device. Just click the Get button under any app badge and click Download. Follow the routine setup steps and the app will be ready to use. To find out if your country or region supports the Amazon App Store on Windows, click the link shown to see the current list from Microsoft. If you have any questions or need help, contact us on social media so we can further assist you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more support videos and check out what's happening in the Dell Community Forum. Thanks for watching.